The National Assembly Committee on Agriculture and Livestock wants the budgetary allocation for agriculture for the next financial year increased by 7.4 billion shillings to 71.8 billion shillings to fund the fertilizer subsidy, to pay millers for the last year's maize floor subsidy program, as well as pay farmers who participated in the livestock program.
Despite the Malabo Declaration recommending that African governments allocate at least 10% of their budgets to agriculture, Kenya is yet to meet the threshold. In the current financial year, agriculture's share was 3.1%, and in the next financial year, it is expected to increase to 3.81%. The National Assembly Committee on Agriculture and Livestock notes that out of the 9 value chains that will transform the bottom-up economic transformation agenda, 6 are under the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock. The committee wants the proposed budgetary allocation to be increased by 7.4 billion shillings, pushing the total budgetary allocation for agriculture to 71.8 billion shillings. They are also proposing that 4 billion shillings be added to the proposed 4.5 billion shillings earmarked for the fertilizer subsidy program in the next financial year. The legislators argued that the fertilizer subsidy program requires 13.5 billion shillings to adequately provide subsidized fertilizer across the country. The committee has also proposed an additional 1 billion shillings for offsetting amounts owed to farmers who participated in the livestock offtake program. They also want another $500 million shillings earmarked for settling the amount owed to millers who participated in the maize subsidy program last year. The legislators want another 400 million shillings allocated for fighting fall armyworms, noting that already there is an outbreak of the destructive pest in some parts of the country. Trevor Ngindo for Prime Edition.